Hey, I'm Paul with Custom Dynamics, and today we're going to be installing our new interior tour pack and LED Saddlebag Light Kit on this 2012 Ultra Classic. Light up your ride from the inside with the addition of Custom Dynamics interior tour pack and saddlebag LED light kits. Each light bar shines with 18 white LEDs providing superior illumination with a convenient built-in on-off button and 5-minute automatic shutoff. They include 3 light bars, wire harness with controller, and adhesive promoter. To get started, open the saddlebag lid, then remove the seat from the motorcycle. Test fit the interior light bar on each saddlebag. The light bar should be seated along the top inside edge. Mark the top and bottom with a grease pencil. Apply the primer to the surface area and give it 1 to 2 minutes to dry. Transfer the saddlebags to a protected work area. Apply masking tape to the outside of the saddlebag and select a drill point. Drill a hole through each saddlebag and make sure to drill from the outside. Peel off the red liner from the back of the light. Realign the light bar to the marked mounting location and press on it firmly. Select the rubber grommet with the thickness that best matches and install it onto the light bar wire. Route the wire from each light bar through the hole and press the rubber grommet into place. Secure the wire inside of the saddlebag. Apply the adhesive promoter to the mounting location of the tie wrap holder before pressing them into place. Now install the provided jaeyi connectors onto the pre-pinned wires from each saddlebag light bar by pushing the pins into the connector ports. Attach the single red fusible wire from the controller to the positive side of the battery. Then attach the black wire to the ground. Reinstall the saddlebags, secure the wires and the controller under the seat with the tie wraps. Reinstall the seat and test for proper operation of all lights before riding. The light bars can be turned on and off with the center button located on the face of each light bar. If you're installing the tour pack lighting option, start by removing your tour pack liner first. Test fit the interior light bar with the connector to the inside of the tour pack. Mark the top and bottom with a grease pencil. Now insert the OEM tour pack liner into the tour pack and mark the location. Trim the liner to fit flush inside the tour pack. Now apply the included primer to the surface area and let it dry for a couple minutes. Peel off the red liner from the back of the light and press on it firmly. Secure the wiring to the inside using the provided tie wraps and holders. Route the wire through the hole and press the rubber grommet into place. Plug in the 3-pin connector into any open 3-pin connector on the controller. Secure the wires and the controller under the seat. Reinstall the tour pack liner, the seat, and then test for proper operation of all lighting before hitting the road. Now you're ready to enjoy your new Custom Dynamics interior tour pack and saddlebag LED lights. Our Custom Dynamics interior tour pack and saddlebag LED lights are a simple upgrade to your bike that will make a big difference for any rider. You can check out the entire Custom Dynamics family of products at customdynamics.com or by visiting your local Drag Specialties dealer.